Mosharaf Composite Textile Mills Limited, a concern of Mosharaf Group, is one of the largest enterprises of Mosharaf Group, is the most modern, highly equipped spinning mill in Bangladesh. Mosharaf Composite Textile Mills Limited was established 17 years ago. Our product capacity is 160 tons. And we produce all types of products. Like cotton yarn, blended, recycled, melange, and fancy yarn, we produce all kinds of yarn. Also, our premise has 10 tons of color dyeing capacity, giving us the capability to develop all types of color shades as per buyers' requirements. As a whole, we are experimenting and developing multi-fiber blending. Not to mention that previously we had to take foreign aid to develop the color shades. Now Mosharaf Composite Textile Mills Ltd is fully self-dependent in producing all types of yarn. This capability is a huge strength not only for our mills but the country's whole apparel backward linkage industry, as these kind of high-end yarn used to be imported from China.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Textile Technology YouTube channel.